Oh, hey guys. Have you ever pulled something out of your closet and thought, oh, I know this is clean, or mostly clean, but it just smells kind of funky? Well, I have a really great solution for you. It's actually surprisingly simple. We're going to use a little vodka. And so this is just a cheap bowl vodka that I'm going to take my trusty little spray bottle and just give a little spritz. It won't stain your clothing. It won't add a smell. It will just encourage a fresher smell. There's kind of antibacterial properties of the vodka that will help to neutralize any little bacteria that might be causing those kind of musty, funky odors. So the next time that you find that you just have something you know you want to wear, but it's just a little off smelling, try that. Just a little spritz of vodka and it will do the trick. I know it sounds strange, but give it a try.